Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to verify your email on PayPal. Verifying your email is important to keep your PayPal account secure and fully functional, so let's get started. First of all, open up the PayPal application on your smartphone, or you may also go to paypal.com on a web browser and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and look for the profile icon at the top right corner and tap on it. There you will be able to see Complete Your Profile tab. Click the Confirm button right next to the email. And then you can confirm your email if it is a Gmail by signing into Google, or you can also choose to send a code to verify your email. I'm just going to tap on Send a Code instead. You will now receive a one-time code sent to your email that you provided for PayPal. Go ahead and open up your email inbox and open the email from service@international.paypal.com and click on Confirm my email address. Soon after you receive the one-time code, enter it here in the text boxes, or you can also confirm with Google instead, follow through the prompts. And right after you do that, you will be able to verify your email on PayPal. Also make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see the verification email in the inbox. And that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.